Welcome back to my channel. Today we will cover what you need to know about advanced seat assignments with domestic airlines and their partners. Domestic airlines. Most domestic airlines allow passengers to select seats at the time of booking or during online check-in. Some airlines, however, do charge for advanced seat assignments. Please make sure you read the terms and conditions before purchasing your ticket if seats are important to you. Options. Seats can usually be chosen for free within a certain window before departure, often 24 to 48 hours in advance. Depending on the fare you purchased, you may have to get your seats at the gate. Guarantee. While seat preferences are typically honored, specific seat assignments are subject to availability. Seats, for the most part, are not guaranteed and can be changed for a number of reasons. While you are able to assign your seats when booking for the most part, the airline is not required to advise you of seat changes, since the terms of the fare usually state seats are not guaranteed and may be changed without notice. Changes. Passengers can usually change their seat assignments online or through customer service, often without additional fees unless upgrading to a higher class. Some seats are paid products, and the airline will most likely not assign a paid seat for your advanced seat selections being changed. International airlines. The process is similar to domestic flights. Seat selection is generally available at booking or during online check-in. When partner airlines are involved, however, you may not be able to assign your seats for free if the partner charges for advanced seat selections. You may also be required to assign your seat on the partner airline and not the airline you booked your ticket through if the partner does not give the airline seat assignment privileges. Most passengers sometimes give pushback that they did not buy the ticket through the partner airline and demand seats be assigned. You may not have purchased through the partner airline, but you agreed to be booked on the other airline's flights, which means, without knowing it, you agreed to those terms as well. Please do your research before pulling the trigger. Options. Airlines may offer more seat categories like economy, premium economy, business, and first class, with varying fees or included options. Guarantee seat preferences are generally honored, but specific seat assignments can change due to operational reasons. Changes can often be made online or through customer service. Fees may apply for certain upgrades or changes. Partner, airlines and limitations. Many airlines are part of global alliances like Star Alliance, Oneworld and SkyTeam, allowing shared benefits such as frequent flyer miles and sometimes reciprocal seat selection privileges. If the agreement between airlines does not include giving access to assign your seat, you will need to reach out to the partner directly. Sometimes there are limits to what partners allow. Limitations. Seat selection on partner airlines may be limited based on fare class or frequent flyer status. Some airlines restrict access to premium seats like exit rows and bulkheads for their own passengers first. Guarantee of seats. While airlines strive to honor advanced seat selections, they reserve the right to change assignments due to safety, operational, or commercial reasons. If seats are changed, passengers are notified of changes via email or during check-in, sometimes not at all if the airline does not guarantee seats. If dissatisfied, they can often request a new seat assignment through the airline's website, app, or customer service, but do not expect an upgrade for your seats being changed. The airlines, for the most part, do not compensate for seats being changed. And if they do compensate, it is not by way of an upgrade. What to do if seats are changed? Airlines typically notify passengers via email or during check-in if their seat assignment changes. If the airline does not notify and you would want to know this in advance, you may want to periodically check your booking. That will give you a better chance of getting your preferred seats as most other passengers will not check. Passengers can often select a new seat online or through customer service. Unless the change is due to a significant schedule change or operational reason, there is usually no fee to select a new seat in the same cabin class. To summarize, advanced seat assignments for domestic and international airlines generally allow passengers to choose seats at booking or check-in. While preferences are usually honored, specific assignments are subject to availability and operational changes. Partner airlines may have limitations based on alliance agreements, and seat changes can be managed through the airline's website or customer service without additional fees in most cases. Always check the specific policies of the airline you are flying with for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding seat assignments and any associated fees or restrictions. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more content like this.